forgot my watch. It's okay. Good morning, guys. I was gonna say what time is it, but I don't know what's on. So, got up to watch the sunrise this morning. Was gonna head up to the deck, and then the boys woke up with me, you know. So, we might as well head on out there and scope things out. This way, Kev. Oh, no. Yeah, this way. Yeah, where are you? There you go. There's Bri. There's Kev. So, we're gonna go scope things out. One of our friends is already out here. Said, come on up. I already am scoping out a good spot to sit for today. So, yeah, that's where we're going. That's what we're doing. I need coffee. Splash pad is looking good today. It's 6:15. Deck crew is meeting this morning. Go team. This is the beach pool. So this is where you can get a chair and the water comes up into where you're sitting. Personally, I like this back corner because the water really doesn't come up this far. I mean, it does sometimes, especially depending on the motion of the ship. You can kind of put your bags up or anything that you have up on the rocks. Otherwise, you gotta find a way to keep your stuff high and dry if you're out front, but it's a nice place to sit. So we made it out to the pool. We got some chairs. There's Savannah over there. You good, Savannah? So we got some awesome kids with us on this trip. They are all up and playing outside already, and it is 6:30. We're waiting for the towel station to open up. We think we found a good spot. So we're waiting for the ship to start to come alive, which we're seeing a lot more movement right now. It's our first full day on the ship. It's a sea day. Getting ready for a nice fun-filled day at the pool. We're across from the splash pad. We're at the main pool. We have water slides behind us, and we got all the kiddos up.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
The towel station is open. It's,
Awesome.
It's not that big.
That means I'm gonna go get some towels. Everybody's up and moving and grooving. There's everybody down there. So we figured we'd come up and get some quick breakfast. A little washy-washy before we eat. Go ahead, Bri, wash your hands. Kev.
Again, thank you all for coming to the event this morning. It's really great to see you all. Good to be back in New York. Good to have you on board with us. See us around, stop and have a chat, and have a wonderful day, have a wonderful cruise, and all the best. Thank you.
Tim from Heaven.
All right, so Icam, Francisco is awesome. Francisco, say hello.
Hello.
He's been awesome the whole time. I think we have some other video here. You probably saw him. He's getting his bar ready. He's gonna have a busy day today. It's gonna be nice and hot. Everybody's out on the boardwalk. So I say, give me something really easy. Can I have a glass? He says, sure.
Hey, Grandma's having
Then there's these two. And poor Francisco,
1, 2,
who was just trying to set up his bar, is awesome. Took care of us. So thank you. Playmakers is a place to be.
Hey boys, what do you got?
Tacos.
You got some tacos?
This is a taco. We got a
Tacos?
I got a chicken quesadilla, and I'm going down there to make my own taco.
All right, sounds good. We got some chicken quesadillas, we got some cheese quesadillas, we got some chicken burritos and some beef burritos. Check that out.
Burrito.
We should have put old granddad.
What's up, everybody? Brian here from the How We Cruise channel, coming to you from the Atlantic Ocean. We are on our way from Bayonne down to Port Canaveral, and man, what a fantastic day. I love these Oasis class ships. The pools, the water slides, the mini golf. The kids were entertained. They're playing with their cousins, they're playing with their friends, and it gave us a great chance to hang out with our friends and our family. What a fantastic vacation. If you've never cruised an Oasis class ship, this is definitely one of those ships that you want to try. We love Oasis. We've been on Harmony. Can't wait to try Allure and Symphony. And now Wonder of the Seas. Can't wait to get out there on these ships. We had our friends and our family come with us on this cruise. Wow, what a great pool deck the Oasis class ships have. There's 4 pools up there. We all kind of congregated over by the sports pool. Fantastic day. The kids, the cousins, the friends, water slides, splashaway bay, mini golf, zip lines, flow riders. Just what a great day. I can tell you, we're going to do this again. We like this. So if you're interested in cruising with the How We Cruise channel, stay tuned. I see a lot more How We Cruise group cruises in the future. So if you want to cruise with the How We Cruise crew, keep following the channel, like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, because we're going to let you know the next time we go on one of these ships. And I can see another Oasis class ship in our future. Stay tuned. So now what we're going to do, we're going to get these kids cleaned up. It's night 2 here on Oasis of the Seas, which means formal night. If you're on a 7-day cruise, nights 2 and 6 are usually the formal nights. They're not required, but we, Julie, likes to dress up for formal night. Actually, our kids do too, so I take that back. It's fun. So what we're going to do is we're going to get dressed up. We're going to go find a photographer. We're going to get some nice pictures taken, and then we're going to go meet the rest of our crew down in the main dining room. So stay tuned. See you on the seas. Well, it is almost formal night. We are in a ocean view balcony cabin, and we've got 5 of us in here. So we got the little Pullman bed up there. We got the couch that pulls out for the other 2. We have 1 bathroom, and we have 5 kids. Or no, we have 3 kids, but 5 of us that all need to get showered. Yeah, no more kids. No more kids. No more kids. We love ours, but no more. Julie's trying to get ready here. I'm trying to get ready. Adjoining balconies are really cool, but the quote of the cruise from Julie's mom is, "Bri, could you please put some pants on?"
Not to me. It was to Dad.
Yeah, well, hey, listen, that's cruising with kids. We're gonna put some pants on.
He never put on pants faster.
But we're going to try and get downstairs, because one of the cool things we like about formal night is there are photographers all over the ship, and we do want to get some nice pictures, because it's not that often that I look this good. So we're going to get downstairs. What are you laughing at, Jewel? Why is that funny?
I'm not laughing at you.
Why is that
You're
funny?
handsome every day. That's why I was laughing, because you're handsome every day. Jack and Addie, oh, look at this. You guys are stunning, both of you. This is my nephew and my niece. Grandma, she's ready to go.
You guys ready? Get some pictures. Come on.
All right, everybody's looking really good. Let's go.
I lost my card again.
If I had like a nickel for every time Mom and Dad lost their card, I could buy cards for the entire ship. Yeah, that's very cool.
That's a cool idea.
So these are our neighbors. Hi, Karen and Heather and Nicole and Jillian. Very cool doors. We'll leave a note letting you know we like your door. But what do they leave?
They leave
buttons. How cool.
That's nice.
You guys are awesome.
I like that.
Very cool.
Nice job, guys.
Happy birthday, birthday squad, birthday cruise. It's 4:49. We have a 5:30 dinner time, so we're gonna try to grab some pictures. All right, let's go on. Squeezing in the elevator, and I don't know. This just happened. I spilled all over me. It wasn't me. It wasn't Jack. It just happened. It's all good, right? We're good. Everybody looks great tonight. I personally love a formal night. It's not for everybody. So here's what it's like to try to get pictures of the kids. We got Tevin here, who's awesome. He is trying to get these guys to cooperate. It's formal night and the line is backing up. cabin is awesome though, let me just say. They look good. Don't they look good, guys? There's Dennis. Caitlin, no, sit nice now or you're moving. I'm not kidding. All right, so here we are at the show. It's been a fun night. We have all the kids. Everybody's looking forward to the headliner show. But when you travel with a group, it just highlights the chaos. So where are those people right now?
You had to be a big shot. Joy to the world, everybody. Dance break, go! Cha cha cha, give it up for Ryan.
What's going on?
Your grandparents say they're gonna watch your kids, and then they say, "I can't believe you left the kids with us."
Took a bag of donuts and we. Oh my gosh, so much fun hiding. This is the bedroom that has all the girls. Sleepover on a cruise. It's 12:49. What's that? I can't hear you. Whisper. Hey, Brian. Hi.
Hey, so at some point or another, you gotta end the vlog, and it's 1 o'clock in the morning, so we are gonna call it an end to day 2, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 3, and we'll see you on the seas.